Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
MS Word Ruler. In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the Microsoft Word Ruler. So as you can see right here, I'm going to give an example of how this will. So let's do a Guide Glimpse. As you can see, we have a ruler right here. You see when we do that, adjust it, it will also adjust with the ruler. With the so see, sorry about that. Ah, the ruler. And we're gonna highlight it, and there you go. Adjust with the once you've highlighted it. So, and once you have highlighted something, for example, this one, you move this, it will follow. Okay, the word will follow, word will follow. So that's how the ruler works. And here is the side, the left side, vertical side, the ruler, the horizontal side of the ruler. See, watch. It doesn't go past this one. When you, for example, you put this right here, it doesn't go past that. Okay, do another example. Say right here. Sorry, we're gonna put this here, there. And once you go back here, as you can see, you will see adjustment on where it here, there. This one, like the stopper, stops, for example, here, here, and stop it there. And another thing about the ruler, you can also remove it if you don't want it. To do that, click on View. Once you're here, you need to locate here, Show. Once you hit the Show, you can click this, and the ruler will be gone. Oopsie. See, the ruler, once you click that again, the ruler will be back. And to bring back the ruler, click on that to remove it. And to adjust its size, diameter, and all of those, just go to the options. Just a quick tip for you guys to adjust the the if to adjust the for this centimeters to inches. Adjust it. Just go to settings, and once you're, I don't know, just file, then option. And once you're at option, just click on advanced, or not in advanced. You see it there. Click on file. I'm just gonna show you. Wait, click on options. Go go to advanced, and here go to display. There we go. Change this meters and this. So yeah, there you go. Just a quick tip for you guys. I hope you guys like the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.